Actress Amber Heard wants a Virginia court to set aside the $10 million plus judgment actor Johnny Depp recently won against her in the duo's epic dueling defamation battle. But Depps are making a meal of that demand, saying they expected it. An extensive legal memorandum was filed in a Fairfax, Virginia court on Friday, July 1st. In the 43-page filing, Amber's attorneys say the massive judgment is not supported by the evidence presented during their dramatic 6-week-long trial watched around the world. Specifically, the filing argues there is no evidence of monetary damages from the op-ed at the heart of the dispute. The head of Depp's legal team, Ben Chu, dismissed those claims on arrival, saying, "That is what we expected, just longer, no more substantive." That December 18, 2018 Washington Post op-ed was reviewed by ACLU attorneys prior to publication, but appeared under Amber's name. The piece did not mention Depp by name, but recounted her role as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Survivors had honed in on a period when she had took out a temporary restraining order against the Fear and Loathing in Vegas actor. The piece, which remains online, now carries an editor's note that indicates that a Virginia jury found that 3 of its statements were defamatory, including the headline. During the trial, Depp argued and jurors believed the op-ed was about him. The general counsel for the ACLU would later admit that after reading the early drafts of the piece, it was clear that the piece was all about Depp. Amber's attorneys say the damages Depp claimed from that article, that he lost out on the opportunity to reprise his role as the pirate Jack Sparrow for the 6th time, do not hold up under scrutiny. While Mr. Depp asserted that he lost Pirate 6 because of the op-ed, there is no evidence upon which the jury can rely to reach such a conclusion, the memo argues. Mr. Depp did not have a contract for Pirate 6. There was media coverage that Mr. Depp would not be in Pirate 6 as of October 25, 2018. 2 months before the op-ed, Mr. Depp's agent testified that it was very likely he would not be in Pirate 6 as of fall 2018, and Mr. Depp testified that he would not have agreed to play a role in Pirate 6 for $300 million and $1 million alpacas. In her memo, the London Fields actress, through her lawyers, also claimed that Depp did not prove actual malice, the heightened standard in defamation cases that applies when the allegedly defamed person is a public figure. In this case, proving actual malice required showing that, at the time the op-ed was published, Ms. Heard did not believe she was abused or that she entertained serious doubt about whether she was abused, the filing says. Because actual malice is a subjective standard, whether Ms. Heard believes she was abused must be judged by her definition of abuse. Ms. Heard testified unequivocally that Mr. Depp abused her physically, emotionally, and psychologically. Mr. Depp presented no evidence that Ms. Heard does not believe abuse can be physical, emotional, or psychological. In returning the verdict for Depp, however, jurors said that they did not believe the actress, essentially agreeing with Depp that her abuse claims were false and that she spread them with actual malice, that she lied, and that she knew she was lying about the situation. Chu said during the confirmation of charges hearing on June 24th that their side would not be filing any post-trial motions, except to respond to motions and appeals filed by Amber's team. Do you think we are finally approaching the appeal moment from Amber's team? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you the latest updates regarding the never-ending Depp-Amber drama, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.